Hello everyone. So if you can't play Telegram videos on your phone, let's fix it. This method works both for iOS and Android. So first of all, open up your Telegram, of course. Locate the video which you can't play for some reason, so it doesn't play. First of all, make sure to check if you have your internet connection. So swipe down from the top right corner, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or to mobile network. If you are, let's keep up. So first of all, let's tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now press settings. After that, we gotta locate our data and storage. Then press on storage usage and press clear cache. Confirm your choice by pressing clear cache, and this helps in many cases, because this happened to me personally. Just I was out of space on my phone, that's why my videos weren't loading up. Cleaned up the cache, got some place, the video got loaded up. Or this may be simply an app bug-in, so cache cleanage will never hurt. As the next step, I recommend you to open up Play Store or App Store, whatever you're using, right? Tap on the search bar. Let's find our Telegram and make sure that it's updated to the latest version, because sometimes there may be some bugs or something else. And after that, as the last step, I recommend you to open up your settings, scroll down to your software update section, choose it. And here, as you see, I have some updates, so press install now. Make sure that your phone is updated, because otherwise, once again, some bugs may happen. Basically, that's it. I hope this helped. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.